2 seconds. All right. Video walkthrough of a spacious 1-bedroom here in Brighton, right along Commonwealth Avenue. Lots of good windows. All right. Good sized living room. And we have the kitchen right here. All right. Open range gas stove, sink, some cabinets. As you can see, the apartment's been taken good care of. All right, we caught the tenant right in the middle of cooking up dinner. Smells great. All righty, we'll loop over into the bathroom. All right, some really nice retro tiles there. Sink, vanity, open shower tub combo. Got a window over there behind that curtain. Okay. And then we have the bedroom, good sized bedroom. Windows are, I believe, facing the side of the building. Yeah, sort of. All right. They have a few dressers set up, but there is also a closet right here. Okay. And let's check out these 2 other closets in the hallway. Really good sized closet right there. And another closet right over here. Again, great size, good storage, just an overall great apartment. So yeah, heat and hot water are included. Laundry in the basement. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Angel at lmcrealtyboston.com. Hope you enjoyed the video tour. Happy hunting.